Let's be real. If you're running Amazon ads and you're getting clicks but no sales, or your ACoS is through the roof, it's easy to panic. I've seen sellers spend hundreds, even thousands on Amazon ads thinking more budget equals more sales. But if your PPC isn't working, spending more on ads doesn't fix the problem, it only bleeds your margins faster. So today I'm breaking down what to do if your Amazon ads are not performing. Whether you're getting no clicks, clicks with no conversions, or a ACoS that is slowly draining your profits, this video is for you. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know if this is the content that you guys want to see. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. But let's dive into it. Step 1, diagnose the real problem. Is it traffic or conversion? Before touching your campaign settings, ask yourself, is this a traffic problem or is it a conversion problem? If your ads are getting no clicks, it's likely a CTR issue or your bids are too low. If your ads are getting clicks but no sales, it's likely a conversion issue. Here's how you check. Go into your ad reports and look at your CTR, click-through rate, and conversion rate, CVR. If your click-through rate is under 0.3%, your main image and title probably aren't standing out on page 1. You want to fix that before making adjustments to your ads. If your conversion rate is under 10%, then your listing is not convincing customers to buy, or maybe your reviews are too low. A tip is don't guess. Always pull from the actual data. Clicks and spend without conversions equals money wasted. Step 2 is fix your listing first, not your ads. Here's where most people mess up. They assume their product isn't working, so they just increase budget or try different keywords. But your PPC ads only get people into the door. If they're not buying, the issue is the listing itself. Here's some things that you want to check. Is your main image crystal clear and better than your competitors? Does it actually stand out? Are your bullet points focused on benefits, not just product features? Does your A+ content tell a compelling story? Do you have at least 10 to 15 reviews with a solid average rating? Is your price competitive for someone with fewer reviews than the rest of the market? And does your title use your main keywords and clearly state what the product is? I once had a product that had great demand, but it wasn't converting. And after split testing the main image and pushing for more reviews, I saw an increase in click-through rate and then conversion followed. Remember, small tweaks make a big difference. Step 3, structure your ad campaigns properly. Let's say that your listing is dialed in. Now we can look at your PPC campaign structure, and this is where a lot of sellers burn cash. The mistake? They solely rely on auto campaigns, or they throw every keyword into one manual campaign with no segmentation. Here's what to do instead. Funnel your keywords from auto, broad, and phrase campaigns. Let Amazon gather the keyword data for you. Create manual campaigns based on high search volume relevant keywords to your product. Segment your keywords into broad, phrase, and exact match campaigns. And pull keywords that have converted from your search term reports and put them into their own campaigns. You want to build campaigns with intent. Have separate campaigns for ranking, sales, and keyword discovery. And don't mix it all together. If your best performing keyword is buried in a messy campaign, you can't scale or control the results. You want to track your ACoS and conversion rate by keyword, not just by campaign, because a few profitable keywords can carry an entire product. And if you want to see exactly how I create ad campaigns on Amazon, be sure to check out my YouTube videos linked down below, Amazon PPC ads, how to set them up the right way, and how I structure my Amazon PPC ad campaigns. Step 4. Understand your data beyond just ACoS. Too many sellers obsess over ACoS, but ACoS is only part of the story. Here's what else you need to look at. TACoS, or total advertising cost of sale. If your ad spend is helping you rank and get organic sales, then a higher ACoS may be okay. Impressions and click-through rate. Are people even seeing your ads? And if they are seeing them, are they clicking on it? And your search term reports. Are you showing up for relevant keywords, or are you wasting money on junk? I had a student who thought that their ads weren't profitable because their ACoS was 40%, but their TACoS was only 12% because they were getting a ton of organic sales from the paid push. So make sure that you zoom out, because ads are part of a bigger flywheel. Step 5, test small, scale smart. You don't need to spend $200 a day to see if your ads are working or not. Start small. $10 to $20 a day per campaign on just a few campaigns, and then double down on the keywords and campaigns that are converting well. If something's not working, pause it, optimize your listing, try a different angle, or try a different campaign structure. PPC is not set it and forget it. It's test, analyze, optimize, repeat. A bonus tip is sometimes it's the product or differentiator. This one's tough, but it has to be said. If you've done everything to optimize your listing, made multiple different pushes for reviews, you have a good and well-structured ad campaign, and you're still not converting, it might just be the product. Maybe the market is too competitive, you didn't differentiate well enough, you didn't have a product with high enough demand, or you launched a product where you didn't analyze the data. If so, don't sink more money into something that's fundamentally broken. But one thing that I will say is most people don't even make enough optimizations to get to this point. So just make sure that you're not one of those people, but in this scenario, it's better to cut your losses early and focus on something with real potential. So if your PPC ads aren't converting, don't just throw more money at the problem. Diagnose, is it CTR or conversion? Fix the listing before the ads. Structure your PPC campaigns properly. Track more than just your ACoS, and test, optimize, and stay data-driven. And remember, PPC doesn't just drive demand, it amplifies what's already working. Now, if you want to learn the full system that I use to launch and scale products profitably on Amazon, be sure to check out the AMZ Masterclass Mentorship program linked in the description of this video. In the mentorship, I have the PPC Masterclass, which is by far one of the most in-depth guides on PPC ads out there. I've never had a student tell me otherwise. That's where I go deeper into my PPC ad strategy, keyword targeting, and long-term brand growth. Now, if you got value from this video, don't forget to like and comment. It really helps out the channel a lot. And subscribe, because like I said, I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. But as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.